Hi, welcome to CIDC Nirman. I'm Jayashree Kurup. I'm editor CIDC Nirman, and I have with me Manish Rustagi. He's the founder of MoonWalk Infraprojects. Thank you, Manish, for joining us.
Thank you, Jayashree, for having me here.
Manish, tell us a bit about what you do. How old are you as a company?
We, as an organization, are 11 years old. We have our fabrication unit in Patoda. It's near to Gurgaon. And we are basically into prefabricated steel structures, pre-engineered steel buildings, and all type of fabricated steel structures we are doing. We are an RDSO approved organization. We are into bridge girders as well. We have done some part of Delhi Airport Terminal 1 building. We are doing some part of Jewar Airport as well. We have done around 19 metro stations. We have recently done Duhai Depot. That has been inaugurated by Honorable CM Yogi and PM Modi. So we have done around 19 metro stations with them. For DMRC also we have an approved vendor, and a lot of warehousing also we have done. Warehousing for a lot of clients like Amazon, Flipkart, and these kind of multinational clients. We have done a lot of warehousing. For DP World also we have done. So this is about our profile.
Okay. How big is this industry in India?
This industry is booming like anything right now because everything is coming into steel. So, and the major part of the construction industry is now covered into steel. We are coming into hybrid buildings. We are coming into multi-story buildings. Like if you have seen, there's a building of DLF near to Gurgaon. While entering the Gurgaon, that's a hybrid steel building, which is, we have just seen, it's a steel column and then the RCC floors. So the construction industry, by whatever the construction industry size, it really occupies it around 40 to 50% of that size is the steel building industry.
So what are the advantages of pre-engineered steel buildings?
I'll tell you. Actually, pre-engineered is all about engineering it in our home, and the building is fabricated at our factory. So you get the right and the best fabrication technology. You get the best product. It's a factory-made, tailored product built to suit for your building, and it is transported in a completely knockdown condition to your site, and it is assembled at your site. So you get a factory finished product. You don't get any kind of nuisance at your site. You don't get any raw material. You don't get any headache of maintaining the raw material, wastages at your site, any kind of theft at your site. So that are the advantages which you have with the pre-engineered steel buildings, and you get a factory finished product direct from the factory installed at your.
And is there a speed of construction also?
It's very fast, very fast. If we'll tell about normal construction, if you talk about any building, if it takes for example, for a 3 lakh square foot of construction, if we go for conventional steel building, the time period should be around a year or so. But for pre-engineered building, we are able to complete this building in 3 to 4 months flat.
Okay.
So the time saving is very large, and by means the rent and the amount of capital you save.
What about cost?
Cost is more or less the same.
It's the same.
It's the same. It's not about majorly about the cost, because we are able to increase the volume and reduce the cost at the factory. So, and steel is the basic ingredient for you also and for us also. But we are able to, by mechanizing the processes, we are able to reduce everything, wastages and everything. So we are able to reduce the cost.
Do you use reprocessed steel?
Yes, we use reprocessed steel also.
Okay. So this becomes a more
greener. Yes, it's a green building.
Okay. Tell me one thing. What is the maintenance of this building like?
They are basically maintenance-free buildings. The only maintenance which you have to do is while the rains, that you have to clean. You have to clean the gutters and the downspouts and the area around that. Apart from it, there's no maintenance required, because the sheets are all pre-painted, so there is no paint required as such. And the structure, internal structure, there are synthetic enamel or the epoxy paint as per your building requirement. So you maintain it in 5 to 10 years for only the hard part of the structure. Apart from it, everything is either galvanized or pre-painted. So no maintenance as such is required in this building.
For what time period?
For at least 20-25 years.
20-25 years. So during the peak pollution times, especially in the NCR, when construction is held up because of the pollution norms, can this construction go on at that time?
Yes, definitely, because we are not polluting anything. We are not fabricating anything at the site. The building is fabricated from the site. It is transported to your site. So we are just lifting the building and we are erecting it. So practically we are not doing any kind of pollution. Only the machines would be running. Machines as such, only the cranes would be running to lift the building. That's all. So if we go for the conventional methods, so there would be lot of like dust, cement, and those stone crushes. So the loading, mixing, that creates basically the pollution. In our building, there is no pollution as such.
So this construction goes on seamlessly?
This construction goes on not seamlessly, because right now construction industry, it does not have that segregation of the pre-engineered building or the cement building. So that's how we are not able to survive in that. But for all the government projects, yes, we get the nod from the government agencies that you can continue with this construction because we are not polluting. So they are able to understand, they are able to give that kind of permissions to us. So yes, then they give us the permission to work.
Yeah. What about skills? Do you have a skills shortage in your industry, and if so, what do you do?
Everybody is fighting for the skill shortage. That's why we are here with the CIDC also, and we want some help for those welders and for the kind of training you guys provide. And we have also asked CIDC to provide some benefits for steel designers and for steel design softwares also. The way we provide facilities for EV buyers. How we are able to increase the EV industry by providing benefits to the EV buyers. Now we have asked by the platform, the CIDC, we want to ask the government that please train more steel designers, so that we have everything in the market about steel. Because normally people are majorly into conventional steel buildings only. They don't know about the steel buildings. If we are able to train more designers, we will have more steel consumption, more better buildings, more beautiful steel buildings in the world.
All the best to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.